There were two manufacturers, Hindustan Motors, Premier Automobiles. December 14, 1983, top speed of 120 kilometers, SS80, 3-cylinder, 37 horsepower, 4-speed. First Maruti was handed over to Harpal Singh and Gulshan Peer Kaur, who won the ownership through a lucky draw. The introduction of this car did revolutionize the automotive industry in India. The delivery was against booking done directly with Maruti Udyog Limited, a Government of India undertaking. Cars produced during the early years were essentially Suzuki OEM components imported from Japan and merely assembled by Maruti Udyog Limited at the Gurgaon plant. It was small, efficient, reliable, and had the latest Japanese technology from Suzuki and mostly cheap. Launch of CB72 in 1999. 3 cylinders, MPFI, 37 horsepower, 4-speed. The design remained unchanged for 12 years, with only some cosmetic changes. Euro 3 emissions compliant version of the car was released in 2005 to meet Indian emissions regulation. An LPG version of the vehicle was released in 2008. The last Maruti 800 was rolled off the production line on 18 January 2014. The natural successor to Maruti 800, Alto manufactured and marketed by Suzuki since 2000. Model VXi comes with a 4-cylinder 1061cc launched in April 2001. Since 2006, it is India's largest selling car, which crossed 1 million units. In 2008, it became the third Maruti model to cross the million mark in India after the Maruti 800. Introduction of K10 Alto in 2010, which consisted of 3-cylinder 796 4-valve per cylinder MPF5 5-speed manual transmission. Second generation Alto was launched in 16th October 2012. Maruti Suzuki launched K10 Alto on 3rd November 2014. This was a small upgrade to Alto 800 with a new chrome fitted front grille, new swept back headlamps, redesigned bonnet line, amendments for tail lights, restructuring of bumpers, 13-inch wheels, ORVMs, door moldings. There was updated to the interior also, new dashboard, 3-spoked steering wheel, refined upholstery, black finished music system, better looking instrument cluster, front power windows, 12-volt power socket, internally adjusted ORVMs, headlamp warning, buzzer, key off reminder, gear shift indicator. Maruti Suzuki introduced auto gear shift or AGS in 2014. Why is the AGS popular? Suzuki's AGS gearbox offers drivers the best of the both worlds. AGS allows to return the same mileage as any model fitted with a manual gearbox. Maruti Suzuki's AGS gearbox offers a manual mode as well. Alto K10 to be discontinued with the entry of the S-Presso, built on hardtech platform to keep the car lighter, more spacious. BS6 compliant engines meet latest crash test norms. Facelifted Alto 800 in 2019, the Suffix 800 to be removed from 2019 models. Upgraded features: fresh grille, newly designed bumper and side fenders, body colored ORVMs, dual tone interiors in the new Alto. Speedometer gets a new design. integrated stereo with Bluetooth connectivity, safety features such as ABS, EBD, reverse parking sensor, driver airbags, speed alert system, seat belt reminder for both driver and passengers. Maruti Suzuki launched in 1993 the Zero Engine Noise, which in Japanese stands for the word Zen, all aluminum engine, 50 horsepower, 6000 RPM. The Zen Classic was launched in 1999 but discontinued due to the lack of demand. Second generation Zen was launched in 2000, which introduced the MPF5 engine with 4-valve cylinder. A diesel version of Zen was also launched in 1998, but which was later discontinued. In 2004, Zen underwent a facelift with a new body which was called the Zen Tiger, which also was discontinued in 2006. Facelifted Zen launched in 2003. A 3-door sport version of Zen in VXI segment was launched in Zen Carbon and Zen Steel. The third generation Zen was launched in 2006. Maruti Alto, the model prior to Alto K10, and the WagonR and the new Zen Estilo all shared the same chassis. In 2009 minor facelift, Maruti Suzuki drops Zen from the name. Zen, which was introduced in 1993, served for 16 years and made a comeback with the tall boy design for the Zen Estilo and later discontinued in 2010. Zen was called India's first world car. What to expect from the next gen Alto? Well, likely based on the Hot-Tech platform, which allows higher ground clearance, more of an SUV feel, and the body will be more rigid enough to pass crash test. Interior is likely to resemble the existing models and currently only available in petrol engine options. The two engine options, which would probably be 0.8 liter engine and a 1 liter engine which is upgraded to a BS6 emission. It will also have a manual or an AGS transmission. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like watching this video, please do comment, like and share with your friends. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Yippee! I finished the video before the clock ran out.